Happy Wednesday, everyone. And I'm so glad to be back out in the field for a little bit. I had a very bad lung virus, and sorry I missed everyone, but I'm going to be out in the field. We've got several people out right now with the same thing. But anyhow, let's move on to the fun stuff. This was a Tiki bar, literally full-fledged Tiki bar. You can see the beautiful post still here. So what we've done is we're converting it to match their beautiful home here with hardy board and trim, and put a nice steep pitched roof on it up under this big screen enclosure. Wagon wheel brackets. Got a very decorative bracket here for a ceiling fan. We're going to be putting tongue and groove ceilings all in here. Electric is roughed in. And yeah, this is going to be a nice one. Putting vinyl soffit on the eaves to match the house. And we're getting a very nice, on top, we're getting a very nice metal roof. So, going to be a beautiful project. Sorry I missed everybody. This sickness kicked me in the butt, but I got me a good old IV last night. I'm feeling a lot better. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll be seeing y'all out in the field. Y'all take care. See ya.